So, if you're just tuning back into my channel, this is the parrot. Oh my god, she's out of the cage now. Look at her. She's up there all day long. Just sit there. You may have seen in the previous video, she was in a cage, all quiet. She's out on the loose. Ha 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 ha! She does laugh sometimes. Ah. She's a bit of a nutter. You gotta watch her sometimes. Talking to herself. Dancing, are you? Are you dancing? Sometimes she can be a bit boring. Here she goes. She's got a massive wingspan. I mean, massive. Sometimes she stretches them right out. Shannon! Shannon! That's the only name she knows. Sometimes she can get her to call it. She loves to say hello. Look at her looking at me. She's eyeing me up. Come on then. Come on. That's it. You come to me. Come down here. Oh, she's getting a bit excited. So if you want to see more of this parrot, tune in tomorrow. I'm going to be here from 4 PM going live. See you then.